we'll guide you through how to lead Vercel as CEO. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to Vercel's official website and log into your CEO account. Once you're in, navigate to the dashboard where you can oversee all ongoing projects and team activities. As a CEO, it's crucial to maintain a clear vision for Vercel's future, so start by reviewing the current product roadmaps and aligning them with the company's strategic goals. You need to regularly check in with your product and engineering teams to ensure that their work is progressing as planned. Use the Teams section in the dashboard to communicate directly with team leads and address any bottlenecks they might be facing. Then you can move to the Analytics section to get insights into user engagement and product performance. This data will help you make informed decisions about scaling operations or pivoting strategies. Make sure to hold weekly meetings with your executive team to discuss these insights and adjust your plans accordingly. Additionally, engage with the community through Vercel's forums and social media platforms. This will not only bolster your understanding of user needs but also build a loyal customer base. As the CEO, you must foster a culture of innovation within the company. Encourage your team to experiment with new technologies and methodologies by providing them with the necessary resources and support. Finally, don't forget to stay updated with industry trends and competitors. This knowledge will help you anticipate market changes and keep Vercel at the forefront of innovation. Remember, effective leadership is about inspiring and empowering your team to achieve their best. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.